Hi YouTube, welcome to Portable Tech. Today we are going to review the best laptops for architectures. My links are in the description and comment box. Please help us to reach 1K subscribers by hitting the subscribe button. Let's get started. At number 6 is Dell Precision 3571, featuring a 12th generation Intel Core i7 12800H processor and NVIDIA T600 GPU for smooth performance in softwares like AutoCAD and Revit. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM, 1 TB SSD, and a 15.6 FHD anti-glare display, it is perfect for multitasking and sharp visuals. ISV certifications ensures compatibility with top design tools, while HDMI and Thunderbolt 4 sports 4K output on up to 3 monitors. Durable, powerful, and loaded with features, it is ideal for architects and designers. According to me, it's 8 out of 10. At number 5 is Apple MacBook Pro. The 2024 Apple MacBook Pro with M4 chip is powerhouse. Its 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display offers stunning visuals, perfect for design work, while the 16 GB memory and 512 GB SSD ensures smooth multitasking. With all-day battery life, advanced mics, and seamless iPhone integration, it is ideal for architects. A premium choice but worth it. According to me, it's 9 out of 10. Check the links in the description to get yours. At number 4 is Dell XPS 17, offering an 11th generation Intel Core i7, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, NVIDIA RTX 3050 for seamless rendering. Its 17-inch FHD Plus Infinity Edge display is stunning, with eye-safe tech for long design sessions. With a backlight keyboard, fingerprint reader, and 3D audio, it is perfect for architects. Check the links in the description. According to me, it's 7 out of 10. At number 3 is Excel Aspire 5, powered by a 13th generation Intel Core i5 13420H processor, 16 GB LPDDR5 RAM, and 512 GB Generation 4 SSD. It easily handles design tasks. Its 15.6 FHD IPS touchscreen delivers sharp visuals, ideal for blueprints and sketches. The backlight keyboard and slim design adds comfort and portability, while Wi-Fi 6 ensures seamless connectivity. Though its integrated graphics may limit advanced 3D rendering, it is still the best laptop for architects, offering power, portability, and display quality. According to me, it's 8 out of 10. At number 2 is Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio is perfect. Its 14.4 pixel SenseFlow touchscreen offers stunning visuals at 120Hz, powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, 16 GB RAM, and Intel Iris Xe graphics for smooth performance. The versatile design transforms into a creative canvas, ideal for sketching with the Surface Slim Pen. According to me, it's 10 out of 10. At number 1 is HP Spectre 360. Its 3K plus touchscreen delivers stunning details for CAD and design work, while 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB RAM handles demanding software with ease. The 512 GB SSD ensures fast storage, and the included HP Tilt Pen is great for precision tasks, lightweight and sleek. It also features a backlight keyboard, fingerprint reader, and Wi-Fi 6E, while the 60Hz refresh rate is ideal for creators. This laptop is top choice for architects seeking power and versatility. That's the list. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and help us to reach 1K subscribers. Thanks for watching.